I used to think that the garlic I grew only had one use, and that was to fix my bland tomato sauce. But then I ran into a study that called it the 24-hour pharmacy.
Since then, I've found that the same clove from my garden that jazzes up dinner can quietly lower blood pressure, bully cancer cells, and even make your biceps happier. Let's run through 7 of the wildest fully backed tricks this little bulb has up its sleeve. No lab coat required.
Here's how the magic happens: smash a clove, let it sit 10 seconds, and then the chemistry kicks in.
A molecule named allicin appears, tiny, unstable, and absolutely ruthless against anything trying to mess with you.
Hang around, and I'll show you how to turn that reaction into help for your heart, lungs, liver, and more.
First win, your heart. Doctors call high blood pressure the silent killer because it sneaks up like a ninja. 12 gold standard trials found that one crushed clove a day shaved about 8 points off systolic and 5 off diastolic. How? Allison tells the blood vessel lining, hey, relax, so blood glides instead of pounds. LDL cholesterol dipped 10% too. Just crush the clove, wait 2 minutes, then chase it with olive oil on toast. Heat kills the allicin, so resist the urge to saute. Second win, rust protection. Every breath creates free radicals that nick your cells like tiny pickaxes. Garlic answers with selenium, vitamin C, quercetin, and a unique sulfur trio. Together, they turbocharge your internal cleanup crew: superoxide dismutase, catalase, glutathione peroxidase, so damage markers drop. Smokers in one study chewed half a clove twice a day and cut oxidative stress by 30% in just 2 weeks. Here's a morning coffee hack. Pop the clove right after your espresso. Sulfur calms the jitters and water knocks your breath back to civil. Third win, mutiny control. In parts of China where folks eat 20 plus grams of raw garlic a week, stomach cancer rates are roughly half the national average. Lab geeks saw why. Allicin flips the apoptosis switch, basically convincing rogue cells to self-destruct, while diallyl disulfide speeds up carcinogen cleanup. Translation: dice a clove in your salad dressing daily. Not magic, but the odds tilt your way. Fourth win, bodyguards on speed dial. During cold season, British researchers gave 146 volunteers either garlic extract or a placebo. The garlic crew caught 63% fewer colds and bounced back a day and a half faster when they did sniffle. Allicin revs natural killer cells and T helpers. Think of them as your personal secret service. Feel that first throat tickle? Crush a clove into hot bone broth, steep 2 minutes, sip like tea. Game over, virus. Fifth win, blood sugar balance. In a solid double-blind study, type 2 diabetics taking 1,200 milligrams of aged garlic extract daily for 6 months cut fasting glucose and improved insulin sensitivity. Non-diabetics saw liver fat and triglycerides drop. Easy nightcap. Mash 2 cloves into a spoon of plain yogurt. Probiotics meet sulfur, blood sugar behaves, and your gut throws a thank you party. Sixth win, stronger, faster you. Iranian athletes sprinkled garlic powder for 6 weeks and boosted grip strength by 6% while cutting post-workout oxidative stress. The theory: garlic raises nitric oxide, so more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscle fibers. Blender hack. Add a crushed raw clove to your post-workout smoothie. Berries and cocoa mask the taste. Your biceps thank you out loud. Seventh win, the double whammy. Lab dishes show garlic extract tears holes in staph, E. coli, and stubborn fungi. Meanwhile, animal livers dosed with toxins saw ALT and AST enzymes fall back to normal after garlic oil stepped in. Real-world use. If the takeout tastes dodgy or the weekend got reckless, crush a clove, mix with lemon, and let your liver exhale. Okay, how do we do this without setting our mouths on fire? Easy. Peel, smash flat, wait 15 minutes to max the allicin, then slide it onto avocado toast or whisk into a vinaigrette. If raw's still a dragon, mince it, soak in lemon juice for an hour, and drink the tangy potion. Same benefits, 0 flames. Start with half a clove, ramp up to 2. If your stomach protests or your breath scares pets, back off. Skip big doses if you're on blood thinners. Garlic likes company a little too much. If your mind now believes in garlic, smash that like button so the algorithm knows. Drop a comment. I want all your hacks. And hit subscribe before you forget. 7 legit upgrades hiding in a bulb that cost pocket change. And if you grew it yourself, even better. Here's what you get with garlic: heart guardian, rust protector, cancer bouncer, immune bodyguard, sugar whisperer, muscle cheerleader, microbe assassin, and liver bodyguard, all in one. Smash it, wait, eat, repeat. Your cells are already RSVPing yes.
Until next time, let's get growing garlic and health.